see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but at some point we miss a right should. And when we find, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder.
Ayaw yung paggupit na. Good evening guys. Today is March 30. Insert ko lang tong aking unboxing. Insert ko dito sa vlog na i-upload ko ngayong gabi. Yung vlog na mapapanood nyo guys is yung aming shopping ni Johnny Boy. Nag-shopping kami ni Johnny Boy para sa aming caravan. So yun ang ating next after nitong unboxing ko ha. Pakita ko lang sa inyo to guys. Okay. Nabuksan na natin yung box. This box is from, oh my god, from Caris. Ayan guys. So, mayroon ako ulit na nag-order ako nito guys. This is my favorite ngayon. As in, ay, sobrang ano niya. Sobrang naka-wrap. Okay. So, nag-order ako nito guys. And, this is the Kinonix na Cabbage Calming Toner Pads. Toner pad. Meron tayong dalawa. Ayan. Kasi paubos na yung akin. So, ayan. Meron tayong dalawa niyan. And, meron tayong refill na, oh, may nag-message. Ito kasi ubos na. Actually, ubos na. Sinisimot ko na lang yung aking lights, camera, action na cushion. So, ito yung refill. May refill tayo. Tapos, meron tayong ito. Ito yung mineral sunscreen tone up primer ng Kinonix. Ayan. So, itatry ko to. Itatry natin yan. And meron pa tayo dito. Alright. Okay. Ito, itatry ko mga to. Ito yung Candy Honey Lip Balm. Oh, wow. Ano yan? Basta makikita nyo na lang yun guys sa akin. Tapos, meron tayong Rainbow Honey. Tapos, Natural Melting Honey. Tingnan nga natin kung anong laman. Sige. Makikita nyo to guys sa aking, ay, ganda ng kanyang, ay, glittery, wow. So, update ko na lang kayo dyan sa aking mga bagong itatry. And then, meron din tayong eto, ano to? Hemong. Ayan, meron tayong dalawa nito. Buksan natin para makita natin kung ano ang laman niya. Ayan guys. Ayan siya. Ano lang siya, calming lang yung ano niya. Wala siya masyadong scent guys. Parang water lang. Aqua gel cream. So, mayroon tayong dalawa. And guys, today, nag-start. May promo kasi ako guys ngayon sa Caris. And eto yung aking, ayan, ubos na Kaya meron na tayo ulit na panibago. Bisitahin nyo yung aking Caris shop guys. Ito sobrang ganda nito guys. Napaka moist niya. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin as a mask. Depende sa inyo. And ito ginagamit ko to as a mask. Pang remove ko ng makeup pag ako ay pagod na pagod. Kasi very wet siya guys. Very wet. Ayan very wet siya. Kunti na lang ang laman yan. Naka-promo to guys. At saka ito yung aking favorite na serum. Ayan, si Centella. Madagascar pala. Madagascar Centella. And ito pang tatlo ko na to guys. Ayan. Ubus na siya. So, mag-open ulit ako nito. Wala na ito. So, etong tatlo guys, naka-promo to ngayon. Before, nasa 3,000. Pag binili nyo to guys, ang promo ko ay nag-start noong 28. Mag-e-end siya ngayong April 3. So, bisitahin nyo yung aking curry shop, guys. Ililive ko yung link down the description box. So, mayroon tayong promo. Eto, pag binili nyo tong, hindi pala yan. Pag binili nyo tong tatlong to, eto ay ano na lang siya, yung price niya dito sa tatlo is 1,940. Before, 3,150 siya. So, sa Philippines, pag kayo ang bumili ng ganito, free shipping na kayo, plus mayroon pa kayong eco bag. Sa international naman, or global, pag etong binili nyo guys, na etong tatlong to na naka-package, so worth na 1,940. I-check ko lang kung magkano siya sa US dollars. So, this is $37.31. So, basta i-check nyo na lang siya, guys. Naka-promo siya. And, yung freebie nyo ay hindi free shipping, guys. Ang freebie ng international ay magkakaroon kayo ng mirror na white. Tapos, meron pang isa. Basta, check nyo yung aking curry shop, guys. Maraming naka-promo ngayon sa aking curry shop. Yung lip tattoo, yung marami, basta marami. Insert ko na lang pag may time ako i-insert ko yung mga naka-promo, guys. So, check it out kasi super mura na to. Nasa 1,940 na to. Etong tatlo. Tapos, meron pa kayong free shipping. Sa international, pag eto ang binili nyo, guys, magkakaroon kayong freebie na mirror na white. Tapos, meron pang isa. Basta yung isa na lang. Sorry, guys. So, yun, guys. So, please check it out. Insert ko lang to dito kasi mag-end yung promo ko hanggang April 3. So, but yeah, anyway, check it out, guys, kasi sobrang ganda to. Sobrang mararecommend ko tong tatlo. As in, halos na nasa curry shop ko ay magaganda, guys. So, eto is the best, okay? And, eto, oh my god, this one, the best. Lahat naman doon nasa curry shop ko, magaganda siya, guys. Ginagamit ko sila halos araw-araw. Okay, yun na, guys. Insert ko lang to and yung aming shopping na ni Johnny Boy sa aming caravan. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Nakita niyo si Jan. Today is Tuesday. Ano na bang date ngayon? 22? 21? Not sure, guys. Not sure. Anong date ba? 22. Okay, wait lang, guys. I-follow natin si Jan. Dito na tayo, guys, sa mount. Punta na ako sa car ni Jan kasi etong car ay iiwan namin dito kasi meron siyang wait lang. So, dito na ako sa car ni Johnny Boy. Magkilay muna ako, guys. Ando na si Jan. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Ayan. So, magkilay muna tayo. Ayan, nakakilay na ako, guys. And, dito na kami sa spotlight. Hinahanap ni Jan yung kanyang mask. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nilagay.
Where is my mask?
Here.
Thank you. Right, should be there.
You're the one put it there, not me. So, punta tayo dito. Iniwan na namin yung car sa kung saan dapat siya iiwan. May pinapagawa doon si Jan sa car kasi 'di ba kukunin na namin yung caravan. So wait lang, guys, tinitingnan na tayo ni Sir. Okay, baba na tayo sa car. Tinitingnan na ako ni Sir. Okay. Dito tayo sa spotlight. Spotlight. Si Sir, ayun si Sir. Spotlight.
I don't know what one's good.
Shopping nga kami, diba? Para sa aming caravan. Beddings. What do you want? Okay. For queen. This is queen. That's
That should be
1,000.
alright.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. 1,000 red count. Yeah. But what color you like? There's cream.
That's a nice colour.
Yeah, but we have what
You've got
color?
to find the colour of the bedspread.
Yeah. Queen kasi you.
We
Yun yung-
need quilt covers.
Yeah.
Nothing heavy. I want it nice and cool.
Ang dami niyang specific, guys. Ayaw niya yung mabigat na quilt. Pero gusto niya yung warm. Iniiwan naman ako ng ka-shopping ko. Ay,
I'm looking for quilt covers, to be honest.
quilt cover. It's over there, I think, hon.
No, that's fitted too. Where's the quilt?
Cover.
I'll have a look at that. Where's all the cool ones?
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya yun, no? Ayaw niya yan. Here.
Where?
Here.
All on the side of it.
Yeah.
Can't even see it.
What do you mean? Go down. What kind?
They're all flowers.
They're all flowers. They're all flowers. This one, yeah. Well, gusto niya simpula lang. But we have to get king one. Tom, man. Oh, this one you don't like?
No, it's not going to match
Oh,
the caravan.
what color is our caravan? Inside white and gray.
No, white and
Cream.
that brown.
Light brown.
Yeah,
So we need
the green's going to not fix and match it.
we need something color to pop up the
Yeah,
caravans.
not green.
Not green. So what? No, I don't like that one, huh?
That's shit, that's shit. Where are all the quilt covers now?
Here nga. Here, what kind of quilt do you like?
Not that. I don't have nice quilt.
What? Like this one? This one?
No, like the material. That's not the right material. You know the one you got in your bed now. That's
Yeah.
not the-
How about this one, huh? This one. Meron siyang nahanap, guys. Siyang pinapa-decide ko. Para hindi niya ako sisihin. That's how much is that? 250?
Is it?
Yeah. I think so. Siya ang pinapapili ko para hindi niya ako sisihin. Kasi gusto niya light, comfortable, and warm.
Is that material?
Yeah. You like that color?
I'm just trying to find something that's nice.
Ano? Hirap na hirap siya. At least alam niya na kung ano ang feeling na nagsha-shopping ka. First time niya sumama mag-shopping ng mga ganito, guys. And first time niya makapasok sa spotlight. Babe, is this your first time here? First time niya makapasok dito. Dito, taga rito siya ha. First time niya. Para sa caravan, pumasok siya dito. Yun nga lang, wala siyang mahanap. Nang gusto niya. Ako gusto ko to, white. Pero siyang bahala. Itong nahanap si Jan, nandun pa rin siya, guys. So, siya talaga ang pinapa-decide ko para sa aming quilt cover. So, dito ako sa mga pangbata. Meron ako nakita quilt cover para kay Holly. Pinagpipilian ko eto or eto. Ayan, ganda rin to. Unicorn. Tapos ito naman, maganda rin to. Sino ba to? Horsey din siya eh. Rainbow Pegasus to. Si Rainbow Pegasus. Ito si ano. Sino to? Si Unicorn to. Unicorn to. Unicorn Dream. Oh, papiliin natin si Jan kung anong gusto niya. Something pink daw kasi kay Holly, sabi niya.
Yeah, I'm not.
Hoy, come here. Which one you like?
Who's this for?
For Holly, girl. You said pink. For your little girl. That one or that one? That one. Mas gusto niya to. Ako din. Mas gusto ko to.
Single.
Okay,
so
yeah.
You got to get some sheets for us. Single sheets.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'll be over there. I'll say. Get the.
Ako talang pinapapili niya sa akin. Siya sa amin. Okay. So, this is the one for Holly. Hindi pa siya nakakapil ka. You think so? Yeah.
Probably just heavy because it's all bunched up, but no, don't double it, just single it. Yeah, that one will work.
You think so?
I hope so. Not think, I hope so.
I hope so daw. Ayun, meron na siyang binalikan niya yung una niya. Ay, ano ba to? Ayun. Yung una niyang kinuha. Ano ba? Hindi, marami siyang kinuha.
Because that'll be underneath, yeah? On that side, so that'll be the
Yeah, this is the one you're gonna
sleep.
sleep on.
I don't think it'll be real heavy.
So, ayaw kasi yung mabigat na clothes.
At least it's going to match the van a bit, this one. Oh, no good, we'll just sell it on eBay.
Pag hindi na
You'll be right.
you think so?
Yeah.
Pag hindi niya raw nagustuhan, if
Alright,
it's not
so-
good, ibenta niya raw sa eBay.
So where's your pile?
Here. At least si
That's
Holly
it over
meron na.
there, mate.
Here, this one.
Now we need sheets for us.
Okay. Ayaw niya na
Over there.
1,000.
You reckon?
I like 1,000. Count.
What? White?
Yes.
What this way?
What? What color? You want that color? Or? Ash?
Yeah. Once.
Alright. At least. Okay, you want this? Or cream?
Oh, that's the sort of cream colour.
Let me see. It will match.
Yeah. It's just a bit darker. It really matches. Bloody beautiful. They haven't got any pink.
No king?
No.
Oh yeah, all queen. Walang king. Here, Han, king. But this is 600.
Which should be still good.
Yung thread niya, 600 thread count. King, Han. That's green, that's green.
Double. Pink.
That one. No? Hala, naubos na yung king. Undecided siya, guys. Hindi niya siya nakikita. Undecided siya.
I don't think it's going to be real heavy.
Ay, talagang heavy.
But then what, you got to sleep on all this stuff. Like when you put your head on the pillow. Hopefully they've got a flat back and turn upside down.
This is the one. This one. That one. This is the
Inside.
inside.
Yeah, that'll be alright for that. I'm just, when you sleep, you're going to sleep on it.
What? That's what you're gonna. That's what you're.
Yeah, on the pillow, it's going to be on that on the outside.
Well, we can flip it.
Alright.
Do you like this?
Well, it's going to match the van. It's got white, it's got that bit of brownie in it. It's going to match.
Gusto niya. Para to si Sak. Alam ko na kung saan nagmano si Sak. Gusto niya matchy-matchy. Matchy-matchy.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, we have to get two. So when we wash it, we can change it, hon.
No, we'll be right.
What? We're...
Sunlight, you might change our colour, you don't know yet.
Well,
Let's go.
meron na siya nagkuha. Terno doon sa quilt. You sure? Okay.
Yeah.
This is 1,000? 1,000?
Yeah.
Is it 1,000? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cotton.
Cotton, yeah. Okay.
That's what price is that.
Alright.
Where's yours?
Here, we have to get for the kids. And we have to get pillows. Wait. Tingnan ko kung may trolley sila. They have trolleys.
There it there.
Huh?
There
Here.
them sheets here.
Wow. That's king.
Flannel,
This is the one. This is nice too.
Should
huh?
we get fitted shape?
Yes, we should.
Well, these are.
What's the one you got? This is nice too, hon.
Yeah, that's the size.
No. Are they?
They're fitted shapes. Probably get fitted, eh? Fitted plain shape.
Are they the same? Yeah. Fitted pin. This is single. This one is white.
Plain.
Yeah,
plain.
this one too.
That's white though.
Yeah.
That'll be comfy.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. You should get one for ours.
No.
The king one. Ayaw niya yung sa... Pinaglalaanan niya lang yung ano, yung... Ayaw niyang mag bili doon sa bahay. What else?
Can't carry these.
Iwan muna namin sila dito kasi marami pa tayong kukunin. Ito yung sa boys. I don't like this one. I think this one is like a thread. No, not like that one. That's a thread hand. This one is now, right? Yeah. Kasi ano siya, parang tingnan nyo, mayroon na nga parang yung sinulit.
What's this quilt cover?
Yeah, quilt cover. Yeah.
Let's go to that thing and get where you got hollies.
How about this one?
See, can you guys?
I'm not sure. Any of them. This one. We're not gonna get white for the boys. Just get this one like this. The same.
What's that? 16
Sheet.
volts.
No, not the blue is yuck. Look, yuck. Just get this one, the same hand. Just the same color.
Need one more of those.
Yeah. Nothing there. One light blue one. If you couldn't find another one of that. This one, the light blue. Yeah.
We still
Yan, sister. Oh, sa boys naman to. Sa boys. Shopping galore si sir. Excited na sa caravan. Ilalagay niya na yan doon. My God, hon. What's next?
quilts.
Quilt. Okay, quilts naman tayo, guys. Nakahanap na tayo ng quilt covers. Ngayon naman, yung quilt talaga. That single.
That's his topper.
So, is that ours?
What?
Yeah. Nice. Excuse me. Sa kids na lang. Sa kids na quilt. Ginawa niya na yung sa amin. Sa mga bata naman. Ayan. Shopping galore si sir. Lalagay niya na yan doon. Yes. Dito naman tayo sa towels. No. And get the dark color, hon. Okay, sir. Okay. Narinig nyo. Kung hindi ka raw madry niyan, there's something wrong daw sa towel. What towel you like? What color? This one, it's alright. I like this color. Yeah, cool. Yeah. And this one, we have to get this. Okay, guys, wait lang, guys. Where's the other one? This. We don't need rug.
We don't want the one with what's down the bottom there.
Okay.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you for
Ito yung
but
color ng towels.
and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Iba yung sa boys. Ah, where's the boys on?
First time I met you, didn't have a clue.
6, 8 divided by 180, 160. So this is bigger.
These are bigger.
17.
Like
This is
140.
180.
Yeah,
This one's 140. So this is bigger.
You came in at the right time. Maybe you have changed my
For Holly, get different for Holly.
people come and people go.
Only get pink for Holly.
It don't matter 'cause I know as long as I have you, then I don't care.
That's the same as Holly. Same as.
We can get a mat.
Okay na tayo sa towels. So nilagay na namin dun yung mga towels. Ngayon pillows naman tayo.
Yeah, they're not so bad.
Yeah,
They're good.
and they're $21 each at the moment. They're normally $35.
Ah,
so they're kind
okay.
of an in-between.
Yeah, I
Ano
like them.
dito,
They're not too
naka-tails?
soft, not
I'll
too
leave it
hard.
with you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you. Nice. It's not too flat. Sure not too like it won't sink your head.
Well, let's see.
You think you need double or what? 2 pillows. Question 5. Tigi-isa lang muna daw kami.
You right?
Huh?
You had a look at them?
Yeah, I touch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, I need 2.
Yeah, it'll be nice and nice now.
Kasi daw hindi na magkakasya kasi ang dami. Ang dami. Hindi raw ito magkakasya sa car. I don't think it will fit, honey.
Yeah, I'll get some.
You sure? Kasi ang dami kaya. Tapos yung damit pa namin.
Mattresses.
To put the
Softer.
on top of the mattress.
No, on the bottom. It's on the bottom and it's on top. Make it soft.
So, another 3. My God, di na talaga ito magkakasya sa car. Ikaw na talaga. Handa.
Well, where's the side here?
Huh?
No good. It's not.
No, here. At the bottom one.
Right here. On here.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Right through town park. That's perfect. There you go. Let's get out of here.
Doon na sister.
Yeah. Now these are single.
That is, yeah.
Ayan, kinuhaan niya rin si Kylie. Ayan na yung kanyang resibo. Ang dami kaya nito.
Righto.
Isang shoppingan
I
lang.
won't
Oh.
say so yet because I'll be back in here 14 times.
That's right. Dito na pala kami sa car ni Jan. Grabe. Tingnan nyo na guys yung car namin. Saan namin ilalagay yung mga bat? Where are we gonna put the kids on?
When?
When we go to Adelaide.
Slow mo.
Kasi tingnan nyo yung likod namin guys. Punong-puno na. Tapos maglalaba pa ako niyan. Lalabahan ko pa yung mga towels, quilts. Nagutom sister sa binayaran niya. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just ate it.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, sharing. Sharing is caring. Yum. So good. Yung likod, sobrang puno rin.
I'm in no hurry, just eat me sandwich.
Pinapatawid sa akin ni Jam. Tapos sabi ni Lolo, mauna raw kami kasi hindi raw siya inahari. Tapos sabi ni Jan, hindi rin daw siya inahari kasi kumakain siya. Siya talaga hindi nag-seatbelt. Harap. Oh, your seatbelt, babe. Ah, dito lang pala kami. Hindi pupunta lang kami saglit. Okay, mamaya lang ulit, guys. Dito na pala ako, guys. Dumiretso ako dito sa aking working area. Wala pa yung kasama ng box na to. Wala pa. Ayan yung mga bata. Dito na rin sila. Ayan, nag-snack na sila. You're having breakfast? No, because we're having tea later. No! Alice,
Right, what are we doing with it? What do you want to do? Wash them towels or?
Yes, get the towel so I can...
You've got to be able to wash it all, but...
No, just the...
The papers so that a bit.
Okay. The towel so I can load it now, Han. And si Jan mag-drive kay Holly.
Towels, but...
And also the quilt and all that, Han. Si Jan mag-drive kay Holly kasi wala pa akong tulog, guys. Ako na talagang gising na gising. See you, Baba.
Where you going, Baba?
Enjoy your dancing.
Thanks.
Right!
Oh, sasama si Sak. Tingnan mo si Jan.
Mom, where were you?
Sobrang excited niya sa caravan, guys. Tingnan mo. Wina-wipe niya yung car ko.
Which car do I open?
This car, because you're not gonna fit in Daddy's car. Where? I don't know. Saan doon namin lalagay yung mga binili namin? Sa lounge na lang, Han? In our lounge.
Huh?
In our lounge.
What are we getting all of that?
Yeah, but I'm gonna wash the towels. Hugasan ko, hugasan. Laban ko yung mga towels para saka yung quilt sheets para ready na talaga sila sa caravan. Ang dili.
Mom, look what I got.
I got that for you, Baba.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Kinukuha na nila. Ayusin nyo, ha? Put it properly. So, ito palang gagawin ko.
These are my tree, Mama.
Yes, that's all yours. Yours is blue, Zach's, TJ's green.
Oh, it looks nice.
So, maglaba tayo tuwing hapon, ha? Yeah, that's yours.
And the pink one's mine. This one's mine.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Okay, maglaba muna ako, guys. Ayun si Queen. Oh, open that door. Dapat nito sa dun sa ano ba, laundry mat, no? Dapat nito sa laundry mat para ilang load lang ba dito?
I'm opening this.
Ay, you opening it now. Baba, you're going soon. Excited siya. Oh. So, yan yung mga nabili natin sa Spotlight. Baba, can you turn it off, that TV, please? Tingnan mo. Akala ko gamitin niya naman yung stick.
See. It's lovely. What do you have to fill up in here?
Are we gonna put the quilt there, Baba?
Quilt.
Yeah, your rug.
Is this my quilt?
And yung pillows.
Is this my quilt? This one's mine.
Whose biscuit is that one there? Excuse me?
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ayun na, guys, ang itsura ng ating lounge. Ayan, parang ila-live selling din sila, no? Ayan, napuno na tayo. And dito lang ayusin ko kasi ilalagay din yan sa car. Sa car ko ba? Kasi kanina, di ba, nasa car yan ni Jan. Pero yung mga towels, yung mga towels, bed sheets, quilt, lalabhan ko ang mga yan. Pero gusto ko muna matulog. Mag-load siguro ako ng towels. And you, where are you going, Zachary? Sakari. Where are you going? Are you going with Daddy? Ayan pala yung itsura niya, oh. They haven't seen you. Ah, yeah. They did. Yung haircut mo.
Look like.
Why? You want that one? I can give you that.
No, this one's way better.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. See ya!
And they've worked out how much them copper was and 2 of those foam things.
Alright. Nagpabili kasi si Kylie ng foam. Ayan. Binilhan namin sila
Put
kasi.
2 of those foam things over here with this thing, please. 2 of the little single foam.
Yeah, that one.
These are for your mattress.
That's for
These are for.
that's Kylie.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That one, and that one.
Who are these?
Ala, para ng ano dito talaga. Wala na tayong madaan. Kuya, si Kuya nagpaiwan. Si Sak, sumama kayo dyan. Can you please put it there? Yeah. Where's the fireplace? Can you line it up? There, Baba. Kuya. Yeah. Make it all together. Kuya, the same, okay?
I'm gonna put this one.
Yes, because I'm not gonna wash that one.
Otherwise, it can get stuck.
I think that one, I have to wash that one. Alright. Thanks, Kuya. Okay, guys, maglaba ako ng towels and matulog ako. So, kagabi, guys, after kong mag-edit, hindi ako nakatulog agad. So, balot ako ng mga isi-ship ulit. Yun ang ginawa ko hanggang sa inumaga na naman tayo. Hanggang sa nakaalis tayo. Pumunta ng spotlight. So, yeah, yun. Pero, ngayon, tinatamaan ako ng antok. Ano na yung aking tulog? Ano na siya? Litong-lito na ko. Anong oras ba talaga ako matutulog? And hopefully, soon, makabalik na ako sa aking routine na 8 hours ang tulog and tamang tulog ulit. Kasi si Jan hindi na naman masaya sa akin. Sa aking mga pinaggagawa. At antok na antok ako kanina. Hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, siya magatid kay Holly kasi parang hindi ko talaga kaya mag-drive kasi feeling ko antukin ako. And si Jan naman lagi ang nag-aano na sa kanya pag Tuesday kasi shipping ko dapat to eh. Ito yung time na yeah, that's yours, Kuya. Shipping ko kasi every Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. So siya naman talaga nag-aano. Sa swimming si Jan na tapos sa dance. Buti na lang tapos na si Jan mag-work pero kung may work yan si Jan hindi yan pwede. Pagagalitan talaga ako niyan. Okay, thanks, ya. Ayan na. Sinambak ni dito ni Kuya yung aking mga lalabhan. Thanks, ya. Inutusan ko si Kuya na tanggalin niya yung mga tags. Kasi nga, lalabhan ko. Thanks, ya. Thank you, ya. Si Kuya ang naglagay nito dito, guys. Okay. Alright, okay. Puno talaga siya ng towels. Okay, wait lang. Ayan na, guys. Then, okay. Mamaya na lang. Hi, guys. Anong oras na? It's 6 o'clock na tinatawagan ko yung kapatid ko.
It's no food tonight.
Kasi, tumatawag siya kanina. Tulog ako. And ngayon, si Kuya, wait. Patayin ko muna, hindi niya na sinasagot. Kanina siya ang tumatawag. Si Kuya, ayan si Kuya, isasampay na nila ni Sak.
Is it just towels?
Yeah, just towels. Thank you. So, isasampay na nila yung towels. Yeah,
Where's Dad?
that's all our towels for our caravan.
Mine's
I'm gonna show you my
Siguro bukas ko na lang laban ang mga yan.
I'm gonna show you
Where's Dad?
my
And si Oli, andito na rin, guys.
show you my sign.
Oh, happy birthday, cake. That is so beautiful, Papa.
This is a nice
Veronica. Oh, look at that. Tingnan, ang ganda ng kanyang drawing ng cake. Unicorn cake. It's like your bed sheets or cover.
because
You know, do you think this is a hand?
No. Yes, it is.
It's a tail.
Ah, it's a
Tail.
table.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
O, yan ako pag napago kahit paano, guys. And si Jan, mag-fish and chips kami.
There's no.
Wala yung energy
there's-
magluto.
So when we were coming back
So-
home, Mum, when we were coming back home, we rang the fish and chip, but they didn't answer, so they closed.
Oh, so that's...
There's no food.
There's no food.
Yeah.
Wala daw food, so diet tayo tonight. No food. So, okay guys, siguro, pag hindi ito mahaba, guys, i-continue ko na lang bukas.
I'm gonna try to.
Then,
taste
yeah.
for
So, mag-work ako doon. Hintayin ko lang si Jan. Kasi parang nakabawi ba, hindi naman nakabawi ba sa tulog. Pero, at least nakanap ako ilang oras din. Siguro mga, anong oras na? 6 na eh. So, mga 2 hours din ako nakanap. Oh, sige, mamaya lang, guys. Guys! Dito na ulit ako sa aking working zone. And merong dala si Holly sa akin na kailangan kong i-order yung kanyang uniform sa dancing. So, i-timelapse ko kayo, guys. Ayan, at least nakatulog ako. Sana matapos ko na sila. Ayan yung ginawa ko kagabi hanggang kanina ulit. Ngayon. And ayan. Ayan, may isang box na naman tayo doon. So, yan yung ginawa natin. And may dalawang. Yan ang ginawa ko. So, and eto din. Yan, tapos na rin. So, we are getting there, guys. So, time-lapse na lang, ha? And pag hindi ko na-close yung vlog, bukas na lang ulit, okay? Kasi magiging busy na talaga ako. Pag naupo ako dito, magiging busy na talaga ako, guys. So, nakakain na yung mga bata. And si Jan, nandun kila Kylie. Kasi nga, you know, about sa caravan. Excited. Sobrang excited lahat. So, yun guys. Hindi ako maka-join sa kanila kasi, dun ba? Isama sana ako ni Jan. Kaso, marami akong gagawin. So, yun guys. Hindi ko to na-end. Yun na yung vlog natin. And we'll see you tomorrow. Kasi marami pa akong gagawin bukas. Marami akong lalabhan. Yung mga binili natin sa Spotlight. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet seen my next vlog. So, in-end ko na yung vlog. Pero mag-timelapse ako. So, we'll see kung mahaba ang vlog ko. Pag hindi yung vlog para bukas, baka i-join ko na lang. So, we'll see. Okay? Thank you, guys. And, pasensya din kung hindi pa ako nakakapag-invoice doon sa mga nag-mine nung Friday and Saturday. Kasi nga, siniship ko yung mga naunang mga na-live ko na hindi nagbayad. So, pasensya po. And then, busy rin ako sa iba pang gawain. So, sorry. Pasensya po. Pero, ginagawa ko naman ang best ko. Okay? Thank you sa unawa. Thank you po.
What you have